ഹായ് ഡിയർ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്, എയ്സൽ മീഡിയയിലേക്ക് ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് 10ാം ക്ലാസ്സിലെ സാമൂഹ്യശാസ്ത്രം 2-ലെ വേൾഡ് ഇൻ ദ 20th സെഞ്ച്വറി എന്ന അധ്യായത്തിൻ്റെ ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങളുടെ 2ാം ഭാഗവുമായിട്ടാണ്. നമുക്ക് ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങളിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. Explain the causes and effects of the worldwide economic crisis in 1929 which originated in USA. The United States of America was not affected by the war. Hence, the European nations managed to get loans from the USA. Consequently, American dollar overtook British pound as the basis of foreign exchange. America emerged as the new world economic power. The people who were bankrupted by the war were unable to buy goods. Goods were kept unsold in factories. European nations failed to repay their debts to the USA. Banks collapsed. Inflation became uncontrollable. Acute unemployment and poverty. To overcome this crisis, the European nations adopted a strategy of imposing heavy taxes on the colonies. Next question. Fascism was a product of the First World War. Do you agree? The First World War devastated both the Allies. Many European governments lost their power. People were in misery. Unemployment, poverty, and inflation gnawed their entire system. Fascism came to power by exploiting this political uncertainty. Fascism in Italy, known as Nazism in Germany. Economic destruction, rivalry against the victors, aimlessness of governments, etc., facilitated these forces to grab power. What are the characteristics of fascism? This is an important question. Antagonism to democracy, opposition to socialism, glorifying the nation, adoring the purity of race, justifying war, diffusion of aggressive nationalism, deifying the past, indoctrination of ideologies through arts, literature, and education, military dictatorship, and destruction of political rivals. All these were the characteristics of fascism. What are the circumstances under which the fascist party came to power in Italy? Italy got nothing, though she was with the victors in the First World War. Post-war destruction of industries, unemployment, increase in tax, inflation, etc., kept people away from the government. Industrialists, in fear of Italy moving to socialism, were prompted to support fascism. Next question. What were the features of Mussolini's rule that seized power in Italy? Dictatorial measures were taken in the political and economic sectors. Violence and ferocity were the strategies of the fascists. Socialists and leaders of peasants and workers were proclaimed as enemies of the nation. Those who opposed the fascist party were executed. The aim of Mussolini was to restore ancient Roman Empire. He adopted several symbols of ancient Roman administration. Using his military force, the black shirts, Mussolini suppressed the opponents through fascist policies. His aggressive foreign policy led him to conquer nations like Ethiopia, Albania, etc. Italy's run for dictatorship paved the way for the outbreak of another war. Next question. What are the factors that helped Hitler, the leader of Nazi party, came to power in Germany? The Treaty of Versailles imposed by the victorious Allies on Germany after the First World War. Economic destruction and inflation, failure of German government, and the resultant political uncertainty. Hitler's oratory skills and organizational abilities easily succeeded in gaining popular support. Hence, he dismissed the government and captured power and became the ruler of Italy. What are the effects of the Second World War? The entry of Soviet Union and America changed the complexion of the Second World War. Italy and Germany surrendered immediately. Mussolini was killed by the local partisans. Hitler committed suicide. The Soviet Union moved to Japan through Trans-Siberia to subjugate Japan. But before it could reach Japan, the United States of America dropped 2 atom bombs in Japan. Little Boy in Hiroshima on 6 August 1945 and Fat Man in Nagasaki on 9 August. Soon Japan surrendered. World War II is over. What are the consequences of Second World War? Over 10 million people died. Economic system of European countries was destroyed. European dominance in world diminished. Freedom movements in Asia and Africa intensified. America and Soviet Union emerged as global powers. In a bid to preserve and maintain world peace, the United Nations Organization, that is UNO, was formed. ഇത്രയും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് സെക്കൻഡ് പാർട്ടിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇത് ഒരു ഒത്തിരി കണ്ടൻസ് ഉള്ളൊരു വലിയ ചാപ്റ്ററാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് 2 പാർട്സിൽ ഇത് ഒതുങ്ങുകയില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇതിൻ്റെ ബാക്കി ഭാഗങ്ങളുമായി അടുത്ത എപ്പിസോഡിൽ കാണാം. അതുവരേക്കും ബൈ. താങ്ക്സ് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.